What is going on, everyone? It is another game day vlog, and the Golden Knights home opener is tonight. But we have a full day ahead of us. So first off, we're going down to City National Arena to check out morning skate for today's big opening night.
How are you doing? Good. I'm hoping he wears the tweezers.
All right, morning skate is basically over at this point. Gonna go into the store to see if there's any new merch for the first day of the new NHL season. All right, I'm here with Ken from Sinbin.Vegas.
I'm too tall, apparently.
Yeah, a little taller than I am, but what are your predictions for the season? Let's start with the season first.
Season?
Yeah.
I think the team is solid. I don't think they're like as good as they've been in the past. I think that the roster has taken some steps back, but a fully healthy team, I think they're easily in the playoffs. So therefore, if they're slightly healthy, I think they're still in the playoffs. If it's a bad year health-wise, I think that's the way that this is the first time we could see a team that you're really like, wow, this is just not quite fully there. But my prediction is they'll make the playoffs. I think
Okay.
they're going to be high 90s.
Okay, and what about tonight? Opening night.
Tonight I'm a little nervous about it
Okay.
because I feel like in the preseason they haven't been great starting games. I think that just the style of play and kind of the roster that they have is probably going to give up more shots than they take.
Okay.
And so I'm a little concerned about a slow start. I'd be surprised if they're leading at the end of the first period. Maybe they get, maybe Eichel and Stone pop one in early and that's going to get them through. But I think it's going to be a slow start. But I think as the game goes on, they're going to build into it. Defense is going to start taking over. I think they win the game 3-2.
All right, who's scoring the goals?
Let's go with Eichel with 1.
Okay.
Olofsson with 1 on the power play.
Okay.
And let's say
Give me a fun one.
Hannafin.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right, back home for a little bit before we head down to T-Mobile Arena for the Gold Carpet event, which the Golden Knights do every year for the first home game of the season. But luckily, I'll be able to watch the beginning of the Mets game. And if you've been watching the videos for a while, I had 3 Mets vlogs a couple years ago. Big Mets fan. This is the best team I've seen in a while. So luckily, we got to be able to watch the beginning of the game. Also, if you've made it this far, 1, I appreciate it. 2, please like the video so more people can see it, as well as subscribe so I can keep doing videos like this. I enjoy making them for you guys. And yeah, we're gonna watch the Mets game for a little bit, then we'll head down to T-Mobile Arena. All right, I'm about to leave, but they're challenging right now. Alonso, whoop. All right, so Alonso's safe bases are loaded. I gotta see if they score before I head over to T-Mobile.
Breaking ball in the dirt. On 1-2. He got Martinez on a curveball.
And they didn't score with the bases loaded. Only the first, but still. All right, we have made it down to the strip for Gold Carpet, which is a decently long time before the game starts. We're here a little under 4 hours early for puck drop. So we'll get some clips of that. Eventually get my ticket because I don't have one yet. And then, yeah, it's gonna be game time. Let's go. Chance! That's sick. across from the arena and see what's going on here. Usually Beer House has a funny sign, so we'll see what that one says. There we go. This one's pretty clever. Yeah! Woo! Let's go! Let's go! OMG! All right, the Mets won. Moving on to the NLCS. Now it's time to watch the Golden Knights kick off their season, hopefully with a win. Heading inside.
1, 2, 3.
Open the fortress!
Yeah! And just like that, the fortress is open. Season 8 is upon us. We're Vegas born. Go Knights, go!
All right, we're in here very early. They let us in a little earlier than normal, so it's not quite filled in yet. But like I always say, every view in this arena is good, so check this out. You can see absolutely everything from here. And a few other things, giveaways for the game today. Mark Stone poster and a Mark Stone pin. All right, now I know where I'm sitting. We're gonna go down there for warm-ups, get some cool shots, and the game will start after that.
The first period is brought to you by McDonald's.
Let's go! What a shot! Let's go! Yeah! Woo! We better win! Let's go! 2-1 Vegas! Oliver Barbershop! Let's go! Go Knights, go! Go Knights, go! Go Knights, go! Let's go, Mark Stone! 3-1 Vegas! Let's go! Let's go! Woo! Go Knights, go! Go Knights, go! Go Knights, go! Golden Knights started off that first period pretty sloppy. They were getting outshot like 6-1, I think, in the beginning. And then Avalanche scored, and it didn't look great. And then Vegas tied it up almost immediately. And they scored twice, which within, I think, like a 30-second period. So it's 3-1 Vegas going into the second. What a start to the season. What a start! Let's go!
And I need you to stop what you're doing and listen. Tacos!
Let's go! White Cloud, what a shot! 4-2 Vegas, let's go! Get him! Get him! Oh! Shoot it! Victor Olsen with his second goal of the game on a power play. Let's go! Woo! Let's go! End of the second. Kind of the same start as the first. Colorado was a little bit better in the beginning. They scored to make it 3-2. Golden Knights quickly answer, make it 4-2. Colorado scores on the power play then, make it 4-3, and then Vegas scores on the power play. Victor Olofsson's second goal of the game. Under a minute left in the period. This game is all offense. Not so much defense, but it's early in the year, so I understand. Yeah, it's all offense in this game. 5-3 Golden Knights going into the third period. Hopefully they can lock it down. You don't want too much excitement in the third, but I wouldn't mind some more VGK goals. See you in the third. Was called off for high sticking penalty. Hat trick. Maybe. Yeah! Shame! 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 Shame!
Colorado penalty called on number 7.
Yeah! Jack Eichel! 4.9, let's go! Let's go! Woo! Let's go! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Barbershop on the backhand! Let's get someone a hat trick here. There's 3 guys. Yeah! Woo! There you go! We got 8! Let's go! Yeah! Woo! Let's go! 8 goals. They scored 8 goals tonight. That is a crazy way to start the season off. If you've made it this far, first off, I appreciate you. Second, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. 8 goals!